Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Some of you might know me from this video, where I talked about Altschool Africa, how I got into the school, the fees and everything. I'm also taking some time to answer questions here about Altschool from time to time, so be sure to check it out if you're interested in the school. This video though is a different one, the one I'm currently making. I'll be showing you how to earn money or make money from Altschool Africa. This is legal. This is not some shady stuff. It's approved by the school. It's completely fine and it's completely free. Now, before we get started, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I teach people how to make money online and also share opportunities from time to time. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. The very first thing you need to do is basically click on earn. You see the earn button here, right here at the top. You click on it. Now, how do you make money? Well, you make money by basically referring people to study at Altschool Africa. To basically take any of their courses or enroll in any of their programs. That's pretty much it. So if you share your link with anybody, maybe a friend or family, they'll pretty much enroll and then you basically get a 10% commission. That's it. That's pretty much it. So you can just click on refer now and you go ahead and basically set up or sign up. I already have an account, so I will just log into my account to show you how the dashboard and everything looks or what it looks like. So I'm going to click on login and then I'm going to log into my account. Now, this is basically my dashboard. You can see my name at the top right corner and you can see a bunch of information here. You can also see scholarships. Scholarships is where you will see all available scholarships. If you've applied before, you see application history. But we're not going over that now. I have made a separate video on how to find Altschool Africa scholarship and where to find the scholarships, or by using Altschool Africa's website. Click on earn after you have signed up. When you click on earn, it will pretty much show you your referral code or a link you can share with people to basically apply. It will also show you a bunch of information on your dashboard. How many people have applied with your link, how many applications so far. Basically, these are people that have applied, but I think they haven't paid. But these are people that have applied and they've paid for a program and they probably started. So this is how much I've earned so far. And I can go ahead and withdraw. I can click on withdraw my cash here. Before I click on withdraw my cash, I want to show you the referrals. If you want to see the people that you've referred, maybe some of their information, like maybe their email and all, you can click on referrals here and you'll see it. I can't click on that because of privacy issues. So I'll just click on withdraw my cash, which is the next stage or the next thing to do. And please keep in mind that the minimum allowed is 10,000 naira or $10. Here I will basically put my bank information to receive my money that I've earned so far. It takes 5 to 12 working days to receive the money. I thought it was automated, but they said they're upgrading their system. So I'll pretty much enter my bank information here and boom, I'll go ahead and submit and I can withdraw my money. Also, there's an option down here for you to chat with the team online. Just click on this, we're online, and you can chat with the team if you have questions about Altschool or you have questions about all of this. Of course, you can also ask me questions in the comments of this video. Let me know if you have questions or concerns and I will see you around. All right. Bye guys. See ya.